of Oganiru Cultural Association. All right, so the ex-presidents, please take your seats. And the current president is going to give us a brief address, a welcome address.
The old, viable, and strong past exegetes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad to welcome you again to the 2013 IRI-JI Festival. The IRI-JI Festival has come to be a landmark of what were known in the Troya. Not just in the Troya, it's a landmark of what is known in Igbo land. So what we're doing today is just an extension of what other people are already doing in Nigeria, especially in Igbo land. Without wasting time, again I say welcome, and we're going to start going into the main thing for this night. First of all, we have to do the traditional rite of breaking of the kola nut. In Igbo land, if you invite people to your house, invite people for a function, for those of us that do not know, the very first thing you have to do to welcome that visitor or that guest is the presentation of the kola nut. It's a sign of welcome. So even as I have the kola nut in here, which is a sign of the Oganiru Cultural Association welcoming all of us to this event. I'm going to call on the eldest person we have in our midst, and I'm going to hand over this kola nut to him according to the Igbo tradition, and he will take off from there. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome and have a good, fun evening. Thank you so much. And let me call on Chief Dr. Frank Watson to please do the ceremonies. He will do the ceremonies that have to do with the kola nut. Thank you, sir. This is on behalf of the Nau-USA Cultural Association. Welcome the members. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
And I got not see mother when this is in one more. No. Asuna Oko Aguyo Watanaka or that way. Unumana Menani Oji Bunupuiva Nanibo Operator Oponya na Abwabido. So Agma Po Nidi Chiche Kapabia Yelomaka Ni Wajin. Man Nanibo na chief, I am a little chiefs, I am with elders. So I may be to come for or you get representative the chiefs. Them I take him now, or I take one. Chief Dr. Ozajuku. Because he will not give for the chiefs. Open I see I over Ofu Oganiru. The second thing member I for the Obia, the from different states. Onye Abia no Abano because ofu onye kulite
Okay.
ofu nwoke kulite bịa were ọjị Abịa